guys, so today I'm gonna do beatbox with sound effects, like, you know. Okay, I'm gonna start here. Like, now here's the punch. I'm gonna add some edits over here, over there. Okay, here we go. Here's the robot one. Wait. Here's the drums. Now, without sound effects now. Now here's the throat bass. Here's the motorbike. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye.